Hello, good day. I am Tutor Emmanuel and I am an online math tutor with Brint Online School. So welcome. Today we're going to be looking at translation. So by the end of this lesson, we are going to learn how to perform translation on a plane surface. So what is translation? Translation is actually the process of moving a figure, a geometric figure, on a plane surface or in space without changing the size or the direction of the figure. It is a type of transformation that involves movement of figure. And of course, as humans, we perform this translation on a daily basis. We move from one point to another. Of course, we don't leave some part of our body behind. We move along with every part of our body. That's exactly what translation is all about in mathematics. So how is translation performed on a plane surface, on a coordinate plane? I'm going to be using this question here to answer that. It says graph quadrilateral ABCD with vertices at point A, -1, -4 rather, 1. Then point B has a coordinates -3 and 3. Point C is 0, 1, and point D is -2, 0. We have to graph this quadrilateral. This is a figure. So the figure we're expected to translate here is quadrilateral ABCD, and that figure is called a pre-image. So that is the name. Any figure we are asked to translate, that is the original figure, is called a pre-image. It fits here. While the figure we expected to form after translation is called the image of the translated figure. So it therefore means, in this case, we have our image here. So that's just the two terminologies we need to understand. So let's proceed. First of all, let's plot these 4 vertices on our coordinate plane. So the first one, point A, is -4 and 1. This is my coordinates plane. -4 and 1. Of course, this is -4 and 1 right here. We're going to plot it right here, -4 and 1. Good, it's there. The second point there is -3 and 3. -3 and 3. -3 and 3 is here. That's point B. Point C is 0, 1. 0, 1. It is there. So x is 0, y is 1. Y point D is -2 and 0. That is x is -2, y is 0. X is -2, y is 0. Yes, this is it there. X is -2, y is 0. So these are the 4 vertices of the quadrilateral AB or CD. I'll have to connect this with some line segments. So I'll join these coordinate points. Okay, there we have it. This is our quadrilateral ABCD. So we are asked to translate this, in other words, to move it to another position without changing its direction nor its size.